Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure the phone has at least 15% battery and any unsaved work is closed. Hold the physical power button for about 2 seconds to open the power menu. If your model uses gestures, swipe down and tap the power icon. Once the power options appear, do not tap Restart yet. Instead, press and hold the power off option. This triggers the safe mode prompt on most Samsung devices. After holding power off, you'll see the safe mode confirmation pop up. Tap safe mode to accept. The device will automatically reboot. Wait through the boot sequence. You'll see safe mode at the lower left if successful. While booting, make sure not to interrupt power. Once loaded, only system apps run so you can diagnose problems. Use settings or app info to uninstall or disable suspect apps. Reboot normally when finished to return to regular mode. To leave safe mode, simply restart the phone. Open the power menu and choose Restart. The device boots back into normal mode. If the phone won't leave safe mode, force a reboot by holding power and volume down for about 10 seconds or remove the battery if removable. If issues continue, clear the cache partition or reset settings to rule out software corruption. If a particular app caused the problem, uninstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.